Hi, and congratulations on completing the comprehensive Ruby on Rails development course. In this course, you learned a number of very powerful tools, such as being able to create a Rails application, deploying it to a live production Heroku server, being able to use scaffolds and generators and create database migrations, along with being able to insert, edit from databases, upload CSV files, create report generators where you can download straight into Excel, initialize a full user database with permissions and sign in and sign out, along with registration, different handlers, using object-oriented code, also learning a little HTML and CSS, along with countless other items. So you really did a fantastic job, and please let me know if you have any questions or any other things you'd like to see added in the course. This video I wanted to talk about some, kind of where you can go from here, because obviously this is just a start of true Rails development, and so I've been doing this for a while now, and even I'm constantly looking for new ways to improve, and so I wanted to give you some of the things that have been really helpful for me. First and foremost, if you haven't done this already, go to the GitHub account or GitHub and look for Enterprise Ape. You can find it using this URL. I'll also put this in the show notes. If you've not looked at this, this is a great way where you can actually see all the code. Every single code, every video I've committed afterwards, all of the new changes, and they've gone live here. And so you could actually see right here, you can see there have been 36 different commits. So every time I finished up a video after I recorded, I created a commit and saved it, posted it up here, so you can access each one of them, and you can also access them at that current version. So say that you came and you wanted to see all the code up to where I integrated the string for time function to customize the date. If you come to this line item, hit browse code, you can access the full code base right here at this point. And you can do a few different things. You can download the zip file and use it locally. Another thing you could do, clone in the desktop. You could also fork this repository. So if you click fork, you can actually start your own from any one of these versions. So it's a really powerful way of being able to extend what we've done in these lessons. And you could even, I don't have any copyrights or anything like that on here. All this is free to use. So if you have an invoicing or some kind of enterprise application that you feel like this would be a good starting point, you can take this and go build your own app from it, and this could be a nice starting point for you. So this is on the code side. If you feel like it would be helpful to have a mentor or someone really take you really by the hand and walk you through advanced Rails development, there's some great resources online for that. They're not free, but I found them to be invaluable. The first one is Thinkful, and they have a great Ruby on Rails course. They also have a number of other ones, and they're really nice to work with, and they have curriculum along with weekly mentorships. Blockio is even more in depth. They're more expensive, but they have a number of different courses. And one thing that's really neat about them is they actually have 3 meetings per week with each one of whoever your mentor is. And so you go through a lot of very in-depth curriculum, and it's a fantastic way to learn anything, whether you want to learn iOS development, Rails, anything like that. I don't make any money when you sign up. I just wanted to give you guys some resources. A few other ones that I found really helpful. Pluralsight is fantastic. They have they have hundreds of different tutorials and things, a lot of great ones for Rails that are extremely advanced. Obviously Udemy, which many of you may have found this course on there. They have a number of great lessons. And then one of my all-time favorites, even though they haven't been adding videos to it for a while, are Railscasts. And Railscasts, he has he's now up to 417 videos and has some fantastic tutorials, some really, really nice ways of learning how to do Rails development. So it's definitely another place that I'd suggest to go. But there's countless spots on the web. You can post in the comments if you have some that are your favorites that have been really helpful for you. So I'd love to see those, and I'm always up for exploring new ways of learning. So I'm also working on a few more Rails series, one that's going to be working specifically with RSpec, so you can do testing, and possibly another one that works on some social aspects of Rails development and some API integration. So stay tuned for those. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments at all. You can message me at any time on YouTube or on Udemy, and I look forward to talking with you soon.